Also, I did not come here just कि मैं आऊँ और मैं फेमस हो जाऊँ.
हाँ.
मेरा प्लान ये नहीं था कि 4 फिल्में करें और खत्म हो जाए करियर. Because if nobody is there to back you up, you can't do bad work. स्टूडियो में जाते थे, वो दरवाजा खुलता था, out of 50 of us they'll be like fit, अंदर आ जाओ, not fit, and I've been in the not fit where I'm like, मैं तो ठीक ही तो दिख रहा हूँ, मतलब एक बार just test me in front of the camera, no. From there going to auditions where they're like, oh you're amazing, you're so good, the audition was so good, you're shortlisted, please blog your dates, and suddenly you know कि somebody else is doing it. From there to even signing and locking myself for 2 months, and on the paper I get to know कि oh this industry guy's nephew is now doing the film. In those scenarios when you're like, non-deserving person has just come in because of the family, we can't do much. We can only sit there, get angry, let's use it, channelize it, show them next time.
Yeah.
When you said na ki if somebody else takes it who's deserving, जैसे मिर्जापुर के time पे I remember season 1, all of us were shortlisted, and Vikrant and me and a couple of us for Bablu's role.
Yeah.
And then Vikrant did it. I love him. And he's deserving. So whenever I've seen Raghav Juyal do Kill, and even that had kind of, and I had spoken about that film for me. एक बार विशाल जी के लिए there was a film which he was making which stopped later because that was the time Irfan sir fell sick. That is one very unfortunate one for me. I feel कि I really wanted to work with him. एक सीन भी मिल जाता है, और उस फिल्म में था मेरे काफी सीन्स तो उनके साथ. Taapsee, I think it took me time to build a relationship with her because we didn't have a time to क्या बोलते हैं, at least meet or rehearse before going on set.
Well, he's talented, he's self-made, and most of it, he is the most versatile actor you'll come across. And that is what makes him the next big thing. Welcoming Priyanshu Penyoli only on a fresh new episode of the next big thing on FPJ Showbiz. Hi Priyanshu, how have you been?
Hi, very good. Thank you so much.
You're
Lovely.
most welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. In fact, that is what I genuinely feel about you when I look at your line of work that you've done so far.
Yeah.
I feel it is, correct me if I'm wrong, but it is very difficult to be versatile because so often we see characters that are similar, stories that are very similar, but to maintain that for so many years is kind of hard. How have you managed to do that?
It is hard, as you said. You have to say no to many things, which becomes hard, right?
Yeah.
Because you want to keep working. Also, you want to be, want to have a profile where everybody is seeing you a lot. You want to be out there in the world with whatever you can, earn a lot of money, which is also a bonus every time, especially when a film comes to you. But a lot of people ask me this: ki, how did you choose these roles, or how did a Vishal Bhardwaj show happened, or how did Motwani happened, how did Raja Menon, Navdeep Singh, some really good filmmakers happen to you? I said, it's not like I chose them. I was just very sure of what I don't want to do. I was just very sure of how I want to make my choices, and that somehow leads to these things coming towards you. Like post Bhavesh Joshi, I remember there were many roles where I was offered, which was more of ki vigilante or fighting revolutionary guy, and who dies, and then everybody feels bad for it. एक तो पता नहीं, I've done so many. I've done also, and उसके बाद I used to get so many roles where I was dying.
Yeah.
मेरे को लगा पता नहीं क्या ऐसा कौन सा मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ. Then people are like, no, आप इतने innocent और अच्छे लगते हो और आप fight करते हुए ना, जब आप मरते हो तो लोग connect करते हैं आपसे. ऐसा, but that can't be the only thing which I'm doing, right? Yeah, I'm fighting for some cause, and I make people feel hurt for me. So then, but that's when I think I realize, and that's when you do a film like Rashmi Rocket. But even in Army, when you do a Pipa, they're very different. Thankfully got to do Extraction, which was a negative role, but very different from what you generally see. And of course Robin, though everybody knows.
True.
So I was specifically, I tried to also see what is new for me. If there's nothing new for me, I think if I'm bored of the work, I won't be able to give 100%. If my 100% doesn't come onto my work, the audience will not enjoy me after a while. They will be like, yeah, ये same कर रहा है यार. वो performance में भी same ही लग रहा है, इसकी energy भी same लग रही है. But every time I go to the set, I want to feel something new, energized, a new person altogether. And that's the fun of the charm of being an actor. That every time you be on a set, it is a different world, different personality you have to play. And yeah, I think that's what I keep in my mind as a basic rule. And when I get the script or whatever I read, I'd be like,
Yeah.
oh, this world I haven't entered. This is a role I don't know about. Let me explore this world. I don't know about Bhopal or something which is Pan Parda Zarda, which I've just done. वो explore करने में बड़ा मजा आता है. I love learning new things about people. Yeah.
Was this the world you were fascinated with ever since you were like a child, or did it grow onto you when you were, in your growing up years?
So stage was always there. I think something happened in school where आप stage वो competitions में चले जाते हो
हाँ.
stage पे dance करने के लिए, and then you go there and you do a mime or a very comedy thing on stage, and suddenly you realize that this is something fun. And I tell you, this adding to my last answer where I was saying that you get to do new things and be somebody new. That actually excited me on stage. That made me feel like, as in, actually, I was very. If you see, which a lot of kids are, you're very confused that you want to be this, you want to be
Yeah.
that in your life, you want to be this one. I, for a very long time, wanted to be. My dad's from army,
Okay.
so of course there is a certain inclination towards that. You see the people in uniform, the work, and
Yeah.
everything is very exciting, the guns and the cars and everything. Army के बाद I think I wanted to become an Air Force pilot for very long because I was
Oh.
watching Aero show in Bangalore and I was like,
अच्छा.
oh, मुझे ऐसे jet उड़ाने हैं, मुझे ये करना है. Cricketer. I wanted to be a cricketer for very long. In fact, I played cricket for Karnataka for regional level for 5 to 6 years. For a very, very long time. Played professionally. And धीरे धीरे मुझे लगा कि ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, करते करते जब acting जो parallelly चल रही थी ना, and when I started doing theatre professionally, that's when I realized that I can be all of these people
Yeah.
as an actor in different intervals of my life. Playing these a character of a cricketer, you can just jump into it. You live that life for a while. So that's what really excited me. I think childhood में schooling, college के time पे भी ये समझ में आ गया कि then I think I want to go here because I can live different lives. I can learn about so many different people.
Yeah, no, that is true. When you first enter the industry, firstly, it can be really overwhelming and can make you feel so many things because, firstly, you're not from the industry, you have no family connections from the film industry. It can feel like you're all alone. When you were coping up with, trying to get work and trying to do good work, were there days where you felt like maybe I am not meant for this?
No. I came with a bag full of preparation. I came with a bag full of, and I tell people before coming to Bombay, prep yourself.
Yeah.
I think that should be there. So I've done my training. I've done a film school where I've studied films, and I know technically how to make films. And we used to do lots of short films, music videos, documentaries. Me and my friends had a small company back then. Professionally, we did lots of work, small work, but it was just gaining us experience. We learned a lot of technical stuff. I knew this is the field I want to go. I've done studies in it. I've done lots of stage back in Bangalore as I was growing up. So then you're prepped that I can do anything. And when I came to Bombay, I knew I don't have anybody, but I have a knowledge of this work. I have technical knowledge, or I have been acting a little bit. And मुझे याद है first year of my Bombay, तो I've taken उस time पे CDs ही थी, तो I put my resume in a CD, like literally show reel of this is what I've directed, written, and acted in, and in fact with a printout or sheet.
Wow.
I've gone around every office, whether it is now that I've worked with those guys, but Mehra sir के office मुझे याद है, विशाल जी के office to Excel office everywhere, and I've just put that on reception saying
अच्छा.
कि if you have any work, call me because I've done sound, I've done this, I've done that, and I just wanted to get inside the industry. My aim was I just want to work in Bombay, and I have and that's what I think I keep telling people: get your technical knowledge, be prepped
Yeah.
with certain things, so that when you're here, everything is not very new because there are lots of new things which you're going to encounter because first finding a way to where are these offices. I didn't know them, but आधे तो मैंने Google भी किए थे बहुत सारे, and that's how I reached their offices. I found it through friends of friends, or yeah, I used to go sit outside Prithvi Theatre, meet people, make friends. That way, I think I try to channelize it. But you need patience. That's another thing in the bag which you should always put before coming to Bombay. If you want to be here for a longer run, I think the idea is to not. Also, I did not come here just कि मैं आऊँ और मैं famous हो जाऊँ.
हाँ.
मेरा plan ये नहीं था कि 4 फिल्में करें और खत्म हो जाए career. Because if nobody is there to back you up, you can't do bad work. And I literally mean that. I mean, I'm saying even if we do something loosely which is not appreciated, we might not get the next
Yeah.
gig. My every project comes from the what I've done previously, and I'm very focused on that. I'm like, let's focus one film at a time. Let's do this very well because that might branch into four more.
True.
As an outsider, I think these things have to be kept on in your mind, and I think I was there. I was always very confident कि आज नहीं कल करेंगे, लेकिन जब करेंगे तो it's for the longer run. I'm not fighting with anybody to be famous this particular year और ट्रेंड नहीं करना है हमें आगे बहुत काम करना है.
Yeah.
That was the idea.
You know, as a trained actor yourself, how important do you feel it is to have some kind of training in acting? Because I've heard actors say this so much that acting अंदर से आती है और आप trained नहीं भी है तो आप कर सकते हैं. But today I see so many new actors who are entering, who we can see and tell that you need to work on it. You need to go to an acting school
Yeah.
and learn a thing or two and maybe then come back.
एक्टिंग को wrongly perceive भी किया जाता है, and I always say, and I think you can speak to every other actor who's trained across the world, that it is a craft which has to keep building.
Yeah.
You have to keep working on it. A painter cannot make, Picasso did not make that one first painting and became the world's famous painter. He painted lots and lots which we
Yeah.
don't know about, then made that genius painting which everybody loved, or Van Gogh, and I can talk about any artist. And I keep saying, I always compare actors to athletes. We should work on ourselves like sports people. A cricketer has to train every day on the ground. They do run. They make sure that their diet is good. They make sure that they're doing their net practice every day. Only then in the match, if they get 1 over to play or 2 balls to play or the whole innings, they will know how to score.
True.
They know कि 2 ball मिली है, इसमें 6 मारना है कि 4 मारना है या क्या करना है, because the training has been done. If we think कि acting will happen on the set, कि जब सेट जाएंगे तब कर लेंगे या जब हमें मिलेगा तब हम कर लेंगे, सब कुछ अंदर है. No, it's not there. You have to keep building it. There's so many tools which we need. क्योंकि actually on set तो you get the most less number of time, or the time given to you to prepare is very less. Sometimes there's a thermocol coming, a light coming, this coming, that coming, and the sun is going down, and they're like, "Sun जा रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है." You just have one take to give, and how do you do that? You have to get your basic tools, which is mental and physical, and that's why I think theatre really helps. I don't say it's very important to do theatre. If you can sit at home or do workshops somewhere or keep practicing on yourself, you build a confidence where you start realizing who you are. And your product is you, right? So you've understood your body, your tools and everything. आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाते हो. एक तो पहला ही चीज़ कैमरे में बहुत ईजी हो जाता है when you're confident, and then there are many tools. I think मेरे को तो I feel I want to keep learning more and more as I'm doing it, and I think every experienced actors today should take a break, learn new things, come back, जिससे आप stagnant ना हो जाओ. And newcomers तो should definitely keep learning. Yeah. I think it's a big tool. Yeah.
You know, when you first entered, rejections, replacements, these are all an actor's, you know, part of an actor's journey, and so many people have spoken about it, but the way you deal with it is very important, because you can't just go into that thing that, oh my god, I'm rejected and I'm not getting work, all of that. When you first entered, I'm sure it must have happened with you. How did you deal with it back then, and compared to how you take it as right now? Because now you have so much experience, you are of course much more mature, you have seen the industry closely.
But even now we get rejected.
Yeah, but then
Yeah,
maybe you
but
deal
we
with
deal
it differently. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, you're right. And there's a difference because that time you're not. Sometimes you're still trying to understand the system, and you're still trying to understand yourself. You're still not matured enough to understand ki how do you take these things. अरे मेरे को तो, and I've gone through several where I'm from a very small rejection of when there were no casting directors also, and you know, you must have heard this story from many of us who have been since that time. When there were no casting directors, हम लोग एक स्टूडियो में जाते थे, वो दरवाज़ा खुलता था, out of 50 of us they'll be like, fit, अंदर आ जाओ, not fit, and I've been in the not fit where I'm like, मैं तो ठीक ही तो दिख रहा हूँ, मतलब एक बार just test me in front of the camera, no, मतलब then you'll know whether I'm fit or not. And from there, going to auditions where they're like, oh, you're amazing, you're so good, the audition was so good, you're shortlisted, please block your dates, and suddenly you know that somebody else is doing it. From there to even signing and locking myself for 2 months, and on the paper I get to know that, you know, this industry guy's nephew is now doing the film. I've done that to, from there to even prepping for a show. Vishal Ji's show, and that was even out. Me, Vamika, Siddhant Gupta, Midnight Children was being made. Your show doesn't even, you're prepping, and next month the show has to go on floor, and they say the show is taken down
Yeah.
by the studio or whatever. So as you keep growing, you start understanding, okay, wait, this is part of the journey. When you take it, it is part of your journey. Then you'll start getting less affected. So now I don't give it so much of importance. Well, I'm not even giving importance to my audition now. I will give my best. I will give because I love giving audition. For me, audition itself is a playground for me as an actor. And I think I to still love giving auditions. And मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ एक as a playground अपना best देता हूँ. You love it, I love it. We collaborate, we work, make this happen. Then I don't know whether it's gonna go ahead or not. I don't think much about it. If it comes through, of course I want it to come through. And I also say even today, if I don't get something which I'm really looking forward to, or a film or a show or anything, feel bad about it. मतलब don't be like अरे I'm not saying I'm a neutral guy. I'm not a robot. End of the day, you're a
Yeah.
human. You will feel bad about it, और वो feel होने दो उसको. But then try to convert that into thinking कि wait, this is part of our journey. It will happen. I have actually, which really helped me in my initial days. मुझे गुस्सा आता था फिर. मैं सैड होने की जगह मुझे गुस्सा आता था, एंड एंगर को मैं फायर को और बर्न करता था. मैं बोलता था कि ओके, लेट मी शो देम नेक्स्ट टाइम. These guys will, मतलब I have to do such a job next
Yeah.
time that they can't refuse me, or they can't take me off their radar or something. Then you do that, then you go ahead, then you realize now in life where I'm like, oh, acha, you're also based on your last hit. If you haven't given a hit for last couple of months or a year or something, the producers are thinking from a very different point of view. The channels are thinking from a different way. Every 2 years and 5 years, the game is also changing. The
Changing,
industry is also
yeah.
changing. So I don't think we have to take it on us.
Yeah.
As per se, I keep telling a lot of young actors, your casting is not just dependent on your talent. By the way,
True. That is so true.
it is not. I mean, it's there to a certain extent, but 50-60% भी अगर आपने अच्छा कर दिया audition में, you're good. But whether you get the role or not is not just 100% yours. Don't
Yeah.
let industry dictate who you are. Don't let industry show you that, oh, this is what I am, and you don't get bogged down कि "उन्होंने मुझे लिया नहीं, I don't think I'm worth it." That's not the case. That's not the scenario. I think let's be practical. The way it functions is very, very different and keeps changing also. There are times when they really need good actors, new actors. वो होता रहता है. I think it's part of the cycle.
You know, I think you can't take it personally, because half the times you say talent, I've seen that talent sometimes becomes the last thing, because there are so many other things involved. As you mentioned, you were replaced by somebody's nephew or whatever. Your last name, when it plays a big, huge part in your being cast, does that bother you? Because it has happened to one of my friends where he was replaced by a star kid, and that was very hurtful to me also, that he's talented and this shouldn't have happened. And honestly, the person who was cast wasn't that good. When this happens, it's even more hurtful, because okay, if you're talented, then ठीक है यार, आपको मिल गया, आपके mom dad ने काम किया, blah blah blah. But when you're not, you do tend to take it very personally, and then you can get angry. How did you deal with that?
It is frustrating. You're right, and I'm saying that do go through that phase, and you have to get frustrated. You want to get angry, get angry. But as I said, channelize it into now. Okay, I have to show the industry, or do a comeback of sorts. You'll have to channelize that anger. मतलब don't let it bog you down, and don't sit down saying, damn it, what has happened to me, and my life is like this, because it is not just you, and it has happened with lots of us.
People, yeah.
So why are we saying, oh, I am affected? I am not affected. Everybody is affected by that. When COVID happens, that happens for everybody. So you can't be sitting in your house crying.
True.
So I'm saying that way, then why don't we take it? It's a very general issue, which we can't do much about. At least I can't do anything about it right now. What I can only do is work on myself, do something extra, where I make it happen, and maybe make those people regret that, oh, I mean, we should have taken this guy. It's more like that. I don't know. I don't see any other way. I don't see what you can do. And even if you make a noise about it, nothing's going to happen as such. The good producers, the good directors, the storytellers are actually looking for the good actors. You make sure you're there. You make sure that you're part of that journey, that side. I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to just make sure that all my performances are that good that if you're looking
People
at
take
them,
notice, yeah.
people take notice of that, and hopefully we have everybody looking for the 12th fail, which I am so happy for Vikrant. मैं उसको बोलता भी रहता हूँ
हाँ.
because when you said ना कि if somebody else takes it who's deserving, जैसे मिर्जापुर के टाइम पे I remember season 1,
हाँ.
all of us were shortlisted and Vikrant and me and a couple of us for Bablu's role.
Yeah.
And when Vikrant did it, I love him. And he's deserving. So whenever I've seen Raghav Juyal do Kill, and even that had kind of, and I had spoken about that film for me, but मैं पीपा में चला गया या कुछ हो गया, तब आप कभी-कभी मिस कर देते हो films. But when you
You were
watch
there
it
for
deserving,
Raghav's role in Kill?
yeah.
Oh, wow.
I had I met Nikhil Bhatt and we spoke about it and everything happened. But Peepa ka prep chal raha tha and Peepa had a lot
But
of war
even
sequences
Peepa was
and
Peepa,
yeah,
like
there was a
people
lot
loved
into
it. Yeah.
So you miss one, you get some. But if somebody deserving has done it and they've done a good job, you like it. I want all of those guys to also collectively do well. But yeah, when you watch sometimes in those scenarios when you're like, non-deserving person has just come in because of the family, we can't do much. We
Yeah,
can
we
only
can't.
sit there, get angry, let's use it, channelize it, show them next time.
Yeah. Do you remember a bizarre or a strange reason that was given to you for not taking you in a part? Because I've heard actors say that I was told I'm too good looking, or to be in that movie, या फिर मैं role के लिए fit नहीं हो रहा हूँ. And that is a little upsetting because you can't even feel good about it that I'm too good looking, so I'm rejected.
Yeah.
But was there like a reason that stayed with you?
I'm trying to think. I think इतने सारे experiences हुए हैं अभी. I'm trying to see कि which one was very unreasonable. I don't know. I felt there was, but again, Adarsh did a great job there because I felt what was this film? The international film he did. The
Which one?
Adarsh's film. Adarsh की जो पहली film थी in the international film which he did. Oh God, I'm also forgetting.
White Tiger.
The White Tiger.
हाँ.
Even I was one of the shortlists there, and I
Acha.
met the director also for that. And I think the kind of makeup also I did, and I tried to look the part. It did not happen because I looked little urbanish
Urban, yeah.
for the part because of the White Tiger the way it is. And again, when I saw Adarsh, I was like, हाँ, he fits the bill perfectly. And great actor. वहाँ पे था कहीं तो जगह भी था. I think.
Even Sacred Games you auditioned for.
Sacred was Cuckoo.
Yeah,
That was one
and
of my-
I saw that reel a couple of days back and I was so surprised.
Sacred Games Cuckoo was a great experience because I think there I don't think that was just a I don't know last minute creative call. Me and Kubra were like the final
Yeah.
two between whom they were kind of deciding whether the guy should play Cuckoo or a girl should play Cuckoo. Both would bring in their very
True,
different
true.
personalities to it. पर मैंने वो same costume में same wig with prosthetic breasts and heels. I lost weight. I was really thin for a month or two, and
For
this
for
was
the role.
for the role. I just for the experience of testing, auditioning for it, and I met that time Vikram sir was editing Bhavesh Joshi, and he said कि Anurag sir wants to meet you and just go and we're making a show, something very interesting, something little कुछ है offbeat kind of role है. First read it, see if you are interested. So Anurag sir had already started shooting for Sacred Games, and he called me. मैं set पे गया, met him. He said, see, scenes and all, you'll do it. I've seen you now. You've just done Bhavesh Joshi. So, but to get that character, now you'll have to read it. And ये नवाज भाई के साथ होगा, Guy Tunde के साथ. And I'm like, oh. He said, there'll be intimacy, there'll be this, there'll be that. I said, let me read it. I read and I said, let's try, let's attempt. It's something very, very different. Why not? I mean, in the West, people don't restrict themselves. Eddie Redmayne has played a woman, and Dallas Buyers Club में people have played. So I think you can experiment, and I'm one of those actors. I would love to experiment. You give me a 60-year-old man's role, I will try to transform myself there. So I did for 2 months. I said, give me some time. Start wearing heels at home. Vandana is an actor, my dancer. Both my wife was helping me to. So they said you have to learn a choreography of Jawani Jani Man, ये Zinat Aman का गाना.
अच्छा.
तो वो सीखा, and in Phantom Office we have a footage of me where I'm dancing in that and the same frill what
Okay.
Kubra was wearing,
Yeah.
same costume, everything. It took me 2 to 3 hours to get ready. I'm really thin, makeup, fake eyelashes, the same wig, and कुछ pictures हैं मेरे पास, I think कहीं हैं जिसमें मैं सेम उस look में हूँ, and people didn't recognize me there, and I was
And Kubra met you and she said you looked better.
Kubra met me at some screening later,
Yeah.
after she had already done it, and she hugged me and she looked, तू मेरे से ज़्यादा pretty लग रहा था यार. तो मैंने बोला वो हो गया अभी किसी तरह, and we kept that green shaving का thing also. I'll see if I can find those pictures. I think now so it's high time. I think everybody knows
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
We
everybody
should
knows
put it
now.
out as a just a look thing, because that look itself was very interesting to achieve. I mean, there's a lot. But when they said the Kubra is doing it, I said, as I said, after a while now I've taken it कि ठीक है जिसको मिल रहा है मिल रहा है. If there's somebody deserving and is able to do, they'll bring in their thing. If you give me, I'll bring in something which is mine. But the experience of getting into it was interesting. Same with that, or I've done. एक बार विशाल जी के लिए there was a film which he was making which stopped later because that was the time Irfan sir fell sick. That is one very unfortunate one for me. I feel कि I really wanted to work with him. एक सीन भी मिल जाता है और उस फिल्म में था मेरे काफ़ी सीन्स थे उनके साथ. And I was supposed to put on weight and look little age wise भी थोड़ा बड़ा. तो I have एक हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते में मैंने इतना खाया है पिया है. I had to grow my beard, mustache, and I was just gaining weight. और वो फिल्म भी फिर वो तो फिल्म बंद ही हो गई थी. But the again, I mean, I missed the opportunity that time to work with Vishal ji and especially Irfan से, मतलब विशाल जी के साथ तो बाद में भी हो गई काम. But yeah, those are experiences they'll be there for life.
I've not heard many actors put in so much effort for an audition. Like it's surprising to hear that you gained weight for this film with Irfan Saab, and you lost a lot of weight for the Sacred Games audition. How do you manage to do that? Because ये नहीं चल रहा होता दिमाग में कि यार अभी तो श्योर भी नहीं है, कंफर्म्ड भी नहीं है और मैं इतना पहले ही दे दूं.
But if I give that much पहले ही, I think the director or whoever's there would see that commitment पहले ही and be like कि नहीं यार मतलब ये बंदा इस stage पे ही अगर इतना कर सकता है, and if it's a very worth part, मतलब if it's really feels like oh this is something very different, very strong, and the makers are like मतलब, and I'm doing it for Vishal ji and Anurag sir and all, so them for them I think I will, if there's a big filmmaker who is also trusting his story, who I really want to work with, and they have a very strong part for me, why not? I will go to that extent to even audition, test for it. मुझे तो लगता है मैं ऑडिशन में अपना जितना दे सकता हूँ I would like to give in, because the makers become 100% sure that oh this guy can bring so much now when he comes on set.
Yeah.
In test, even if he achieves 60 to 70%, it's good enough, because they are like acha, now on set when they understand more and when we work together, it'll be crazy. Because I remember Navdeep Singh telling me कि when I did Shahil Lakot for him, and he said जो तुमने audition में ही किया, I was like this guy got the character so much without reading the script. Now when he'll read the script and bring in, तो फिर हम कितने सारे layers निकाल पाएंगे. So as I said, as an actor, I think what am I doing otherwise? If I'm just going to sit at home and read or watch something, this becomes a nice playground for me, no? Like an experimental ground. Because when you're on a show in a film, you're more structured. You're going according to director's vision. यहाँ तो मैं अपने vision के हिसाब से कुछ character बना सकता हूँ. I can just play around.
You know, so many times when you are somebody who's known to be a talent, like when I read a review which has your name in it, often I've read words like, you know, you are talented or you are versatile and you know your craft. These are the common things that I hear about you. This can make your co-stars a little insecure. I've heard so many stories where, you know, you work with other actors who are maybe at your level or maybe a little smaller, but they are also trying to make it big. They could get a little insecure about your craft. But I've also heard that when you guys work as a team, it only betters everyone's performance. How do you deal with such things if it happens on set?
With me, at least till now, even if you say people like when Ishan and me and Mrunal were there in Pipa as a family, and Sony ma'am, we still have a WhatsApp group as Pipa family. We still treat each other as a family. I'm the elder brother everywhere I go. I met Mrunal recently at some party, and she's like, "Arey bhai," and on set also that was the case. If we had to say something to each other, we were fine. Ishan, me, we are like brothers today. We can talk to each other like anything on set also. I think the younger actors have that thing with each other that we want to collaborate and work towards each other. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is higher than anybody else. That level, if we can achieve on a set, and thankfully, touchwood, I've not gone to any set where somebody's trying to play the
Wow.
one-up game.
You're very lucky.
Yeah, matlab, with Taapsee, I think it took me time to build a relationship with her because we didn't have a time to क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे at least meet or rehearse before going on set, because once you go on set then there's too much to do. वहाँ फिर एक फ्रेंडशिप बनाना या एक दूसरे को समझना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, but that also happened in 2 to 3 days when we just start shooting in Pune. I went 2 days before my scene and she was just shooting. I told Akash मैं बस set पे रहूँगा because I want to just sit with her, talk to her. 2 दिन बाद मेरा shoot है and I've never met her. I've only seen her on screen. I want to understand her. You have to understand each other to create a nice environment for shoot. It happened. We fun time pass होता है, सब jokes करते हैं. Slowly you start having meals together. Everybody is a unit. The whole unit should be like that. I don't think a director also tries to play one-up game. Nowhere. Even with Motwani sir and with Harsh, me and Ashish, the friendship shows because we are like that in real life. Alaya, I think thankfully, I don't know, there's been some nice vibe between everybody with me. I'm also not trying to be कि ओ मुझे आता है, मेरे को नहीं आता है. मैं in fact आपसे कुछ लूँगा और शायद in that process I might give you something. If we can keep that relation, then it is beautiful. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice because very rarely do people give me this answer when I ask them. Everyone says that yes, we've been through an insecure actor and then I just shut my brain and didn't interact with that person so much. But that's great that you have not dealt with something like that.
I think it also depends, I think, in the unit and the environment that the director has kept. I've just been lucky to work with good filmmakers, I think, which I want to continue because they create the vibe of the set. They are the ones who are actually, even if they're sitting behind, and something the captain of the ship does is sinking the whole Mirzapur set. Yeah, I mean, imagine the number of actors that are there.
Yeah.
But it is. Everybody says it is Guru, our director, Gurmeet Singh. The vibe, he's the sweetest gem of a person you meet in life. On set, off set, आप कहीं भी उनको मिल जाओ, वो वैसे ही है, sweet heart है, हमेशा अच्छे से बात करते हैं सबसे. Even Mirzapur is the only set. 3 seasons have been shot over the years, and from every lighting guy to crew is the same. They will always come back to work with him. Nobody says कि I'm busy, dates match नहीं पाती, and the dates are always planned according to the actors' schedule, this that. Everybody makes time and makes sure that Mirzapur happens. Even the crew, lighting, spot, everybody has been same. He creates an environment which is so lovely where nobody is trying to, me and Vijay are meeting on a set. We're beautiful. We just want to make a nice scene, have fun. Ali comes on, Pankaj sir comes on. There's Rasika. There's so many people there. Yeah. But no, it's all same level.
Yeah.
Everybody is. Yeah. It depends on the director, I feel.
Lovely. Now of course you are getting into direction. How did this happen? Because very fewer times do actors scare away whenever somebody's asked, do you also want to direct? They are like, no, it's not our cup of tea. But you are trained. You told in the beginning that you are trained as a technician as well. How did this come in your mind?
It was there always. इसीलिए film school भी गए थे.
हाँ.
And since film school, I was directing lots of stuff back in Bangalore. Small, but corporate films, music videos for bands. We used to just find bands there. Our friend circle may say, we'll make a music video for you. I've made a music video for an African channel in their language. Because my junior was from there. And in the Zohelian language, there was some song, Usi Kuna Makana Namana Manamana, which I did not understand. I said, what is the meaning? And let's give a treatment to it. We made a nice funky song. I directed that. It went into the television channels there that time. This was 2017, 18 I'm talking about. No, what am I saying? 2008 and 9.
Yeah.
10 mein to main yahan aaya tha, 2008, 9. Then when I came to Bombay also, I said that practice I don't want to let it go. The primary objective was acting and to pursue that, whether it is theatre, films, whatever. But every year I would make sure that I make one short film. With my friends, we'll just come together. किसके पास कैमरा है, ट्राइपॉड है, लाइट है, कुछ है. थोड़े से बजट है तो साउंड टीम भी बुलाएंगे. थोड़ा सा बजट है तो maybe we'll try to get a location. Initially, तो we made 0 budget films. We just put it out there. We sent it to Pocket Films. किसी कंपटीशन में डाल देते थे. I used to always look for short film competitions.
अच्छा.
And I remember my friends were like, क्या कर रहा है? I'm like, let's just make this, yeah, it's just
Yeah.
fun. And I made one film called Keeda, which is about the slum kids trying to make a film.
Oh.
And we are also trying to make a film. And we shot all over Bombay. I'm
Wow.
telling you, I took my maid's son's help to go inside the slums and we shot. And then we were called to Blue Frog because we won the second prize for that. And we were like, wow. And my friends are like, I said, phone mil gaya yaar, free mein. And then it just kept on. So I said, I don't want to, I will never sit, I don't know, there's something about, I never sit idle in Bombay. Otherwise, for me to sit rest or reset or sit idle is a holiday where I'll step out, go to some different country or some state in India. बॉम्बे में हूँ तो मैं आइडल नहीं बैठ सकता, मैं यहाँ तो लिखता रहता हूँ. एक्टिंग नहीं हो रही तो आई विल मेक अ फिल्म. देन स्लोली द शॉर्ट फिल्म्स आल्सो बिकेम बिगर. वी स्टार्ट पुटिंग इन मनी, वी स्टार्ट गेटिंग सम प्रोडक्शन फ्रॉम माय फ्रेंड्स प्रोडक्शन. Then one of my short film went to Vienna International Short Film Festival. It was the only Indian film there, and I had adapted it and directed it. So they called me and they sent an invite, and I said I can't because Mirzapur is starting. और फिर वो बैलेंस आउट करना मुश्किल हो रहा था. बट दिस फिल्म नाउ एज अ फीचर, दिस माय फर्स्ट feature
Yeah, feature film.
Jagar, and this story was always there in me since college days.
Oh.
I always wanted to make this one of the closest, most passionate stories for me because it comes from my hometown, उत्तराखंड. और वो जिस तरह की स्टोरी मैंने लिखी थी, परसीव करी थी, सोची थी, वो मैंने पहले अगेन शॉर्ट सोची थी, क्योंकि हर साल शॉर्ट फिल्म ही बना रहे थे तो कभी ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं आगे कि फीचर भी कर सकते हैं. Then lots of filmmakers, DOPs, my friends here and there, I narrated it to them and they said, yeah, because you've always been thinking short, why are you making this also short? It has a scope of going longer. It's a beautiful world you're taking us to. But because you're only thinking short film, तुमने जल्दी जल्दी conflict करके आधे घंटे में खत्म कर दी. Don't think like that. So then again I sat for 2 years more, kept writing. I went to the mountains again. In between my shoot, wherever I was acting, I was doing my other stuff. तो बीच बीच में जब भी टाइम मिलता था मैं इस पे फोकस कर रहा था. Now it's all be short. The first schedule we did last year, second schedule we did this year. So now the film is at least thankfully finished production, but post के लिए we're going to take it to now people. We're trying to get some studios involved because it's totally independent, totally self-funded. It is just me and Vandana trying to make our own production for the first time. And I always tell, मैं उस दिन विक्रम सर को भी मिला था, मोटवानी सर को, मैंने बोला इसको इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म क्यों बोलते हैं, इसको डिपेंडेंट फिल्म होना चाहिए because we are actually dependent on so many people to help us out during this process. It's a very because producing I've not done for a big film like for a feature. Produce करना बहुत major चीज़ हो जाती है. We can take care of the creative part. Me and Vandana were of course there, but she also got into producing. We were like each and every money, how does it go, how do you and you're taking best of the HODs, you're taking an actual mini Alexa camera, you're taking the lights, and we were taking to the highest mountains जहाँ कोई नहीं जाता shoot करने के लिए, हम वहाँ जाके shoot करके आए हैं. But thankfully now there are lots of veterans from the industry who are now supporting us.
Wow.
So they're liking what we've shot, they're loving the story, they're liking the visuals, everything. तो अब सब आ रहे हैं support पे post production करने के लिए, and hopefully we'll find a way now.
So are you now also planning to balance acting and direction?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to, and in fact, during Jagar only, I finished a film and a show and another show and everything while I was making Jagar, and the schedules के बीच में करते we would prep, we would make sure that other shoot is happening. Recently, I just finished a big feature film. I wish I could talk about it, but we are not allowed to. But it is a theatrical film वो आएगी इस साल. It's one of my favorite stars. But during the shoot, I had gone and finished my second schedule. Then I go back to Delhi. I shoot the other film. It's possible if you plan it well. It's always possible. And I want to act. I want to act in my films also. Make some really nice, passionate cinema, which I believe in, and keep working with other filmmakers. Yeah. In fact, while working with all these beautiful filmmakers, which in fact helped me more in my craft to understand how I can shoot my film better.
That is true. But as an actor, what's next for you? I know a couple of things, but I don't know if you're allowed to talk about your upcoming project. So whatever you are comfortable with, you can talk about.
Yeah. I think I can always talk about Pan Parda Zarda.
Yeah.
That's the one which Jio also announced, saying that we've already wrapped it finally.
That's with Tanya.
That's with Tanya. Yeah. It really took a long time because it's a big show. And it's by the makers of Mirzapur. So it's Guru and the same team of Mirzapur, and I enjoyed, and I always enjoy when Guru calls. But this time I'm heading it for him. I think सब लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि मिर्ज़ापुर में आपके एंड कर दिया उन्होंने रॉबिन का सीजन 3 में. I said, but yeah, but in this different world. He's now I'm heading his show. So very very different world. As in Bhopal now we're entering. We're calling it a Romeo Juliet love story in an opium world, because there's a love story between me and Tanya where, and you have the beautiful, amazing Mona Singh and Sushant sir. बहुत अच्छी cast है. Tanvi Azmi. There's a family that side. Then I am there. Manu Rishi Chadda, Manoj Sharma. तो जिसको मिर्ज़ापुर पसंद है अभी ये बहुत एक और लेवल ऑफ स्केल में वी आर गोइंग इनटू अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड. And we have seen the show recently. We saw the edit. It's looking bigger. It's looking there's so much happening. By the 5th episode, you'll be like, oh my god, where is the story gone? It's a 9-episode huge show, Jio ka. I'm very very excited. I look also very. Again, I look very. I'm playing a 25-year-old farmer boy. Very different look. I went. That was the time I went very lean. Left carbs, and he wanted a body which is those farmers' toned body. It is. Yeah, I've shown images to people, and they're like, "No, this is not you." And I'm like, no, this is me. It was a great experience. 1 year or something it took us to finish, but now finally we've wrapped it. Hopefully this year that should come out. That is one big show I'm looking forward to. I've done a Hotstar show which should come out now this year. That's with Raj Chakrabarti. He's a Bengali director.
Yeah, I know.
And it's his first Hindi show. So that's me, Aditi Pavankar, Sumit Vyas, Prasenjit Chatterjee.
Oh, nice.
A very interesting cast.
Yeah,
there.
the cast
Very
is
nice. We can call it a romantic thriller. It's a nice fast-paced thriller. वो बहुत कुछ है उसमें भी. And and then this film, which I can't talk about.
The big
this
film.
is the big fun. I really wanted to do this one because of the people who are involved. I love the makers. I love the act stars who are in it. I've been a big fan of all of them. I get to work with them. You get to spend time with them, and it's going to be in the theaters. So why not? I mean, hopefully.
Wow. Lastly, we'll of course end this conversation by saying that for us, you are the next big thing, and you've been doing such great work, and I hope you continue to do so. But if I ask you, who's that one actor, or you can name 2 or 3 who you feel are the next big thing, who would they be and why?
Vicky तो अब हो ही गया. मतलब I think I always believed in Vicky because I remember meeting him. हम लोग जब theater करते थे, and I'd seen him, but he's already a big thing, and he should be, deserves it. Adarsh is the next big. Vikrant bhi ab ho gaya. I think all the people I'm thinking about are already there. I think Adarsh is one guy. He's very very talented, very good, and many. Now there's so many people who I feel I think are really in the line of, and they're coming with craft. They're also learning. They're bringing so much new things to. Every time I see Ali doing something, I see Vijay doing something, and I always tell them, I said, this is great. I want to learn from you guys. What are you bringing in? What are your thoughts now? Every time. So many new things. Adarsh I would name, or कौन है? Tanya I feel is very very charismatic. Tanya on screen is, her honesty, and now working with her also I felt was
she's
so
also
lovely.
very sweet to talk to.
Very sweet, very sweet person, great on set, her energy, very talented, and there's something which she brings on the screen which is very different. I haven't seen recently in in the female actors, what she brings in a great vibe. I think she is definitely. I'm really looking forward to how people will react to our chemistry in Pan Parda.
Looking forward. But on that note, thank you so much, Priyanshu, for joining. There have been so many guests on this show, but you have appreciated so many people in this conversation. You have taken so many names, and that's very rare, you must know. Not a lot of people come out and, especially when the show is about appreciating you, you have taken time out and named other people. So thank you for doing that. We need more people like you. And thank you for doing such great work. Keep doing it, and all the very best.
I wish I keep doing more and more work where I'm told as the next big thing, and I hope I become that. Looking forward to more of my releases, and the 12th fail happens for everybody.
Absolutely.
I'm saying it's not for me because I love the industry, I love the people who are there, and I like how it's changing with the newer lot, which the way we are bringing in our thoughts. We just need support from everybody, and I think all of you guys keep us motivated. So thank you so much.
You're
for
most
having
welcome.
me.
Thank you for joining me.
Hi, I'm Priyanshu Penyoli, and you're watching me on FPJ Showbiz.